Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Samsung TV owner who's suddenly seeing the dreaded 301 error code pop up on your screen, you're not alone. This frustrating issue can halt your binge-watching sessions or streaming plans, but don't worry. I'm here to help you understand and fix it quickly. In this video, we'll cover what the 301 error means, why it happens, and step-by-step solutions to get your TV back up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the 301 error code? On Samsung TVs, this error typically indicates a problem with the network connection or software update process. It often shows up when your TV is trying to connect to the internet for apps like Netflix or YouTube, but something's blocking the signal. Common causes include unstable Wi-Fi, outdated firmware, or even a simple glitch in the system. For instance, if your router is too far from the TV or there's interference from other devices, that could trigger this error. In 2025 models, it's also linked to security updates that might not install properly. Now, let's talk solutions. Start with the basics. Restart your TV by unplugging it from the power source for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset often clears temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is stable and your TV is connected to the correct network. If that doesn't work, head to your TV's settings menu. Go to Support or Software Update and look for any pending updates. Install them if available, as Samsung frequently releases patches for errors like this. If the problem persists, try resetting the Smart Hub. You can do this by going to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset Smart Hub. Remember to back up any personalized settings first. Another handy fix is to power cycle your router. Turn it off for a minute, then turn it back on. For more advanced users, you might want to check for IP conflicts or use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. There you have it, straightforward steps to tackle the Samsung TV 301 error. If these tips work for you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.